everyone, this is Cooking with Matthew. Today we're going to be doing a hot ham and cheese. It's going to be sort of, I grew up eating these Slick Lizard hot ham and cheese sandwiches, and this is going to be a play off that. I'll show you what we got right here. So, we got some pickles. They usually just gave you pickle spear, but I'm going to put the pickles on the... I have some herb butter. We've upgraded the butter. I've cut these ham into little pieces like this. This is the way they used to. It might have been thinner, it might have been a little smaller, I don't know, but it's about like this. And they had a hoagie bun, which I'm just using some bread. This was somebody gave me the bread, so I'm going to use this as like some stuff from Walmart or something, and some mayonnaise. So we're going to put it on our griddle top over here. I'm going to get me a spoon out. A little butter going on over here. Get my ham going. Oh yeah, I left out, I got the Swiss. I like the white American. I've got yellow American in the fridge. I like the white American with this. Well, I'm going to use Swiss with it today. We're going to get us a spatula here somewhere. I'm going to go ahead and get my bread, start and toast a little bit. Get this ham good and cooked over here on this griddle. I got my oven on too. And we're going to throw this in there and get the bread good and toasty. I'm going to hold this down and make sure it gets good and I'm trying to rush it a little bit. I want this bread to be good and toasted when we do this little deal, because I'm just going to get it crunchy on the outside. This was one of my favorite subs growing up, and I think it was some other barbecue joint before Slick Lizard got it. It was like a little drive-through on top of the hill in Jasper. I forget the name of the original barbecue joint that was there, but Slick Lizard did this same little sub here. We're gonna put our, oh shit, I forgot the most important thing. Gob it down with mayonnaise. You don't be stingy with the mayonnaise. That's what makes a sandwich, the cheese and the mayonnaise. You can use any kind of like ham that you got. This was just like a ham loaf, or like a banquet ham roll that I'm using. But if you got leftover ham from cooking the ham for dinner or something, this would be fine. You just got to cut it sort of thick, a little bit thick, and cut it into strips. Grab that's good and toasted right there. Oh God, more mayonnaise on here. Good mayonnaise. I got my Swiss cheese here. I got my oven cranked up to like 400 degrees right now. Shouldn't take long, so I'm going to put me 2 nice pieces of Swiss over here on it. That's what we're looking like before we go in the oven. I'll put this on top of it. I'm gonna go in the oven. It ain't gonna take long, probably like a minute is what I'm, shit. I got my pickles. I want to throw me a few of these pickles on here. So I'm not 100% sure how these guys did this sandwich, because it was like, I believe they might have folded the mayonnaise or folded a lot of cheese into it or something, because it's like it was really cheesy and mayonnaisey. It was like, it was the best sandwich I've ever had, so I'm hoping that this version is going to be just as good. That's why I just loaded the mayonnaise up on the sandwich. I put me 2 big old slices of Swiss cheese on there, and we're going to see how all that turns out. Go ahead and get this stuff put up. It's a nice little quick sandwich, and again, I'm using my Lodge griddle. I think Lodge should give me money for doing recipes. They should sponsor my channel. So if anybody that works for Lodge is watching, I could use y'all as a sponsor, because I'm using your product in a lot of my videos. So it'd be nice to link up with Lodge at some point, because I got a lot of Lodge products. So they're made in the USA. The reason why I like them so much. I've got this is Lodge, and I got another Dutch oven that's Lodge. They're just my favorite equipment to use, this cast iron stuff. We'll get us cleaned up while waiting on that. It should be just about ready. Not quite. So I don't know if there's anything that y'all would like to see different, or if there's some recipe you would like to see me do. I do another show, Cooking with Matthew. This is just a quick kitchen tip, because this is something really quick and simple and easy. The Cooking with Matthew, I do a little more, a little bit more. I wished I did the video last night. I cooked a chicken corn and tomato soup. It was really good. I used some of these, some of this stuff right here. Somebody gave me a couple of 4 or 5 cans of this stuff. White sweet corn with poblano peppers. I just end up boiling some chicken, tearing off the bone, using the broth from it, I added some crushed tomatoes to it, some of that to it, and boom, you know, seasoned up a little bit and pulled chicken off, and I put a little macaroni noodles in there, and it turned out very well. Maybe y'all can try that too. It's just something simple and quick. It didn't take me long. I did it last night when I got off work. I'm gonna take some to my granny and them today. That's taking a little longer than I thought. Alright, here we're back. It took a little longer than I thought in this oven. I had it on 400 degrees. It wasn't a lot longer, but I didn't want to just keep trying to stall everybody. Let's see. We got a nice, pretty. Let's see. A bread knife. It's actually made for that. We'll go ahead and use this. That's the way we're looking. It's a nice little sandwich. It's not quite as it's not quite. I will see what it tastes like. It's not quite the look of the sandwiches of my young childhood, but we'll see what it tastes like. It's on point. It might have been Swiss they was using. I was so young, but it tasted like it. The bread could have been a little crunchier, but this is I'm very happy with myself. That herb butter, they sell it at the store already made, I believe. That's where this came from. But you can make it yourself. You have to figure out how. Just put in a mixer with a paddle, get the butter soft. Mix it up and put you some dry herbs in it, whatever kind of herbs you want. But I'm fixing to get off here and eat this sandwich. Y'all have a blessed day. If you like what you see, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.